Today we are learning one of the most important grammar topics, articles. Many students get confused about a, and, the, and when to use no article. I'll explain step by step with simple rules, clear examples, an easy flowchart, and a short quiz at the end. A, and, sound rule. We use a before a word that begins with a consonant sound. किसी भी वर्ड की शुरुआत यदि कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड से होती है तो उसके पहले ए लगाते हैं. एग्जाम्पल: अ कैट, अ बॉय, अ पेन, अ 1 rupee coin. We use an before a word that starts with a vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U. किसी भी शब्द की शुरुआत यदि वॉवल साउंड से होती है तो उसके पहले एन लगाते हैं. एग्जाम्पल: एन एप्पल, एन एग, एन अम्ब्रेला, एन ऑरेंज. It's about sound, not spelling. Sentences. This is a book. Book शब्द की शुरुआत B से होती है. B एक कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड है, इसलिए यहाँ A लगेगा. He ate an egg. Egg शब्द की शुरुआत E से होती है. E एक वॉवल साउंड है, इसलिए यहाँ N लगेगा. I bought a mango. Mango M से स्टार्ट होता है. M कॉन्सोनेंस है, इसलिए यहाँ पर A का यूज किया जाएगा. I saw an elephant. Elephant E से स्टार्ट होता E वॉवल साउंड है, इसलिए यहाँ पर an का यूज किया जाएगा. She saw a dog. Dog D से स्टार्ट होता है. D कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड है, इसलिए यहाँ पर A का यूज किया जाएगा. With a consonant sound and an vowel sound. Tricky words with vowel letters but consonant sound. Some words begin with the vowel letters A, E, I, O, U, but their first sound is like a consonant sound. In such cases, we use A, not an. A university sounds like university. Example: she is studying at a university in Delhi. A European country sounds like European. Example: he wants to visit a European country next summer. A 1 rupee coin sounds like 1 rupee. Example: he gave me a 1 rupee coin. A uniform sounds like uniform. Example: she bought a uniform for school. A unicorn sounds like unicorn. Example: he drew a unicorn for the poster. Tricky words with consonant letters but vowel sound. Some words start with consonant letters like H, M, N, X, F, L, etc., but their first sound is actually a vowel sound when we pronounce them. In such cases, we use an instead of a. An honest man looks like consonant H, but H is silent. Honest starts with vowel sound. An X-ray. Letter X is consonant, but pronounced X. Starts with vowel sound and X-ray. An R. An MBA degree. An heir to the throne. The. We use the when something is unique, specific, or superlative. Examples: the sun. Only one sun in the world. The Taj Mahal. Unique place. The moon looks beautiful. Only one moon in the world. The Ganga is a holy river. Specific river. The stars are shining brightly tonight. Specificity. Unique things. The sun, the moon, the earth. Specific things. The Taj Mahal, the Ganga, the stars. Superlatives. The tallest, the best, the most. Remember, we use the when the person knows exactly which one we are talking about. No article, zero article. Sometimes we use no article. This is called zero article. We don't always need a, an, or the. Examples. When we talk about these places for their main purpose, we don't use any article. We go to school every day. When we talk about meals in a general sense, we don't use any article. We had dinner. The word hospital is used in the sense of its main purpose for medical treatment. He was taken to hospital. We don't use articles before sports or games. She plays cricket. Flowchart recap. Let's quickly recap with a flowchart. Does the word begin with a vowel sound? Use an. Does the word begin with a consonant sound? Use a. Is it unique, specific, or superlative? Use the. Is it general, school, dinner, sports? Use no article. Quiz. Fill in the blanks. Dash Taj Mahal is in Agra. The Taj Mahal is in Agra. He waited for dash hour. He waited for an hour. My friend studies in dash university. My friend studies in a university. She bought dash umbrella. She bought an umbrella. We had dash dinner last night. We had dinner last night, no article. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss our easy English lessons.